We are live on YouTube. Let's go. We are live on YouTube. So here we streamed. We are live. We want to sell gold. I'm going to make a quick analysis on gold from the H4 and we see how it goes. So we're gonna start with the 4-hour. I guess you guys can see my screen. You first check for me YouTube if it's working. It's working. So if you joined our last live session, you can also go check it out. We had bullish bias on the H4 and we wanted gold to keep on shooting up from these zones. Yeah. Call these sellers this high and it has already taken it out. So once this retracement, thank you for the follow. If you want to see the presentation, head over to YouTube, search FXAU, you'll see me. This retracement, maybe it has ended and now we want a correction. Yeah. So our overall bias on the H4 is buys. We want to buy. So I don't want to see anyone selling gold long term. Yeah. But short term, you can sell it. But long term, we are buying. The structure on the H4 is still bullish. You can slope to the H1 to see what H1 is doing. Now that we know H4 is bullish, we can also draw our zones. If you see a valid demand zone support, you can go ahead and draw it. So you have this demand here. Demand. We have this demand. No signs of supply yet. On the H4, we are still bullish. So let's go to H1 to see what H1 structure is doing. So H1 structure, we have several lows created. On this left-hand side, we have these lows. And whenever we break lows, we know that the market is trending bearish. Can we see the chart? If you want to see the chart, head over to YouTube, search FXAU. We're also live on YouTube. And it's clear. Is it what? The voice. So head over to YouTube, guys. Search FXAU. To see the charts. I really can't show the charts. So love it on. Honestly, just need to go to YouTube. I don't want my account to get blocked. Let me see how many guys we have on YouTube. I'm also not replying your questions. Do you have any questions on YouTube? Yo, we have 6 members watching. Thank you guys. Subscribe. Yeah, that's the H1 we are analyzing. So waiting for buys. Josiah Tumwebaze is waiting for buys. What's your take? Yeah, we are still analyzing, Josiah. Wait and see. I think gold is retracing. So it's still analyzing. So far we're from the H4. Now we're heading over to the H1 to see what H1 is doing. Thank you guys on the live YouTube. Really appreciate. As we wait for the questions, let's go to H1. So H1C is retracing, kind of retracing down. We saw it was bearish and again turned bullish. This point here, so this high was taken out and it turned bullish. This is what we call change in character. So price was bearish. This is actually on the H4. We know this is a retracement move. So on the H1, it's different structure. It's bearish, but then it stands bullish again. If you want to swing, I would love you to align your strategy on the H4 time frame for long-term bias or for price direction. So price gave us that change in character and left out this footprint called the demand zone, order block, whatever you can call it, support. Price is beginning to go down, collects liquidity. This was yesterday's move actually. Price collects liquidity, taps into our demand zone, and now it's starting to go up. So in the process of it going up, it's now creating higher highs and higher lows. This is a strong indication that price is bullish. I don't have a valid one down below, so I'll have to use this point of interest for entry. So I wanted to sell up to this area for buys, but I've not yet got like selling confirmations, so we'll have to wait. Tap the screen. Let's get to 10. That's when I'll show you charts on TikTok. You tap up to 10K, then I'm gonna show you charts. So now price is retracing but leaving this footprint of liquidity. So we have a lot of sellers here selling off of this doji candlestick, but we know price is bullish. Actually, we wanted to join these sellers for long-term shorts, but I don't know, we might act as liquidity, we might not. Trading is a game of losing and probabilities. If you understand that, then you understand the game. You'll stay in this game longer. You're not going to get demotivated. Even when you lose money, you know that you just lost money off of probabilities. In the long run, if you keep on consistently losing money every day, you're going to be profitable. That's how it works. I don't know how you guys see it, but that's how I see it. Now that we are done with the H1, we know what we want in the H1. Let's go to the M30. M30 is actually clear. You divide H1 2 times to get M30. So if you want to get a clear picture of the H1, you just go to M30 and see how price reacts from our zones. So we wanted to catch this retracement move. We haven't got a confirmation yet. So I don't want to rush stuff. I would personally wait for my setup to come to me. So, yeah. Kino kyabadde kyaganya okukola ebyaddala 2003. I'm replying some questions. If you have a question on TikTok, you can ask. I'll have to reply to you. Pesh James, Jordan, keep on tapping the screen. Action joined. Hey Action, how are you? Hey, let me show you guys. Muyinza okunyiigira sibalaga ku chats. So basically that's it. That's what we are waiting for on the M30. I don't know what you guys are waiting for, but that's what I'm waiting for, me personally. Mm, 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 mm. S- That's what I'm waiting for currently. We want price. We want price to retrace. Uh, and as well, we want to buy. So if we catch a buy right here, then we will buy. We're gonna buy from this zone. I wanted to sell from here to join these guys, these sellers, but maybe this we have missed out on this trade actually. So I'll wait for this because this is high probability. So kinsimule kupisimu. What's your view on gold? So we're going to keep waiting. Trading is a game of patience. It's a patience game. Guys, you can go and subscribe to our FXAU YouTube. We are live from there. See, the experience is nice. The live experience on YouTube is nice. So I need someone serious to teach me this thing. So if you need someone serious, you're in the right place. What you have to do is check the link in bio or check the number in bio and text us. Text us right now. I also support the buys that hobby also has. I have to wait for confluences for the trend line. Okay. You are one of the main reasons as to why I'm still sticking to trading. More blessings, FXAU. I study each and every video carefully. Something. Thank you very much, bro, for that feedback. Really keeps me going. It motivates me actually to know that there's people following my advice and to motivate me even more if you guys start practicing and making money. So if you make the money from the markets, mm, I'll be proud. I'll be proud if you guys make it. Mm, 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 mm. Where should I put my buy limit? We haven't yet confirmed. So we're still waiting. I'm going to automatically alert you guys if I get any. I'll have to alert you. If you get anything, I'm going to alert you on when to buy, when to sell. I disconnected our session. Okay. Let me connect it back. The- I'm going to alert you when we have a confirmation on any trade. So don't worry about that. I have got you. I got you. So gold is currently, bro, YouTube is back. YouTube is live, bro. YouTube is live. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Patiently waiting for our setup. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go to YouTube, bro. Head over to YouTube. Head over to YouTube. Page unresponsive. I hope you're doing great. You, that's all you need. I'm going to educate you from the basics up to when you become a pro trader. I'm live on YouTube now. Everything gold is retracing back up. We might find an entry. I'm going to alert you on the entry. Kano kanneseeko kano ka chat oba kanjagaza ki? Yeah, I'm a trader from Uganda, based in Kampala. I'm Ugandan. So stop asking me where I am from, whether I'm Ugandan. I'm Ugandan, guys. I'm Ugandan. I'm not Somali. I'm Ugandan. Nilaba baba wange. Oba nsaze kaviiri ki sikategedde. I'm going to shave off the whole of my hair and I become bald because these Kampala barbers don't know how to. Do you have any barber recommendations, guys? I'm just from the salon, but you can't imagine. What are you guys seeing on gold? YouTube lagging. Maybe it's your network. But YouTube is working right now. The network is fast. Maybe it lags because of so many apps I have on this MacBook. But I'm going to clear it out and I want us to have a smooth experience. And I want us to always have a smooth experience. It's no longer lagging. Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. Let's go. We are live. Make it. We're still patiently waiting for gold. I don't want you guys to panic. Let's wait. Let's wait. Let's wait and see how it goes. I want to record a video just for TikTok. So I don't know if you guys going to. I want a video, 60 seconds. There is not enough light. Hey guys, welcome to. Hello guys, just tap into our live session. We are currently live trading XAUUSD on YouTube. Go and search FXAU, find you there. Yesterday we had a setup and it was a loss, but today we're eyeing on buying gold after a short-term sell. So if you really want to know how we are going to do it, head over to our YouTube channel. Hey guys, welcome to. Hello guys, just tap into our live session. We are currently live trading XAUUSD on YouTube. Go and search FXAU, find you there. Yesterday we had a setup and it was a loss, but today we're eyeing on buying gold after a short-term sell. We don't need. Hello guys, just tap into our live session. We are currently live trading XAUUSD on YouTube. Go and search FXAU. Gold currently going up. I don't know if you guys can see the candles clearly, but let me zoom in. This is M30. Yeah, we can check with M5. M5 for our bearish entries. What do you guys see? I see several breaks, and this is actually our change in character. I wanted to enter off of this, but I hesitated. I still thought gold was going to go up, but it just went down. Okay. May have this area of resistance, supply, whatever you can name it. So I'm thinking price is going to shoot from here up to down, but I'm currently waiting for that confirmation. Hello guys, just tap into our live session. We are currently live trading XAUUSD on YouTube. Go and search FXAU, find you there. Yesterday we had a setup and it was a loss, but today we're eyeing on buying gold after a short-term sell. Hello guys, just tap into our live session. Hello guys, just tap into our live session. We are currently live trading XAUUSD on YouTube. Go and search FXAU, find you there. Yesterday we had a setup and it was a loss, but today we're eyeing on buying gold after a short-term sell. Hello guys, just tap into our live session. We are currently
There's no losing, only learning. There's no failure, only opportunities.
There's no losing,
no problems,
only lying,
only solutions. So to me,
only
what
winning.
failure is the mother of all success. If it wasn't for Michael, he wouldn't have become Michael. You know, if it wasn't for
It's nice watching the psychology behind your trades. Thank you, Saison. I hope you're doing well, Saison.
I ain't no other route, I did it my way. But I knew we would make it someday. I was fucked up, couldn't.
No more excuses. No more excuses. I'm live trading every day with you. So I don't need you guys to have excuses. I don't want any excuses of you not making money. No more excuses. Let's make money. No more excuses. Tap in. No more excuses. Yesterday we had a loss. I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you on our account. I'm going to show you the losses we had. I love live trading. It also gives me that discipline because I'm being watched by people, so I can't make mistakes no matter what. I'm learning from you guys as well as you are learning from me. I really appreciate you guys following me on TikTok. Make sure you also subscribe on YouTube. We are going live again. Live Studio is available now. Use Live Studio for easy one. No, I don't want Live Studio. I want to get live. I just want to go live. I bet the network is good on YouTube. Now you can let me know if the network is not good. Network actually to We don't have any questions. You guys are not asking any questions. Yes, welcome to our YouTube. If you really wanna live trade with me, head over to YouTube. Welcome to our live trading. Actually, it's nice watching the psychology behind your trades. No, excuse me. Nisimenye kano kapisi kaganye kola. It's not used to working. Make sure you ask questions. Don't just don't just stare at my video. You're already in the trade? No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm waiting for a confirmation. So you should also wait for a confirmation as well. Just don't trade blindly. You need to wait for your setup before you do anything. Kukun, kukundankwe. Where is gold going, mentor? Gold is going to go up. Yeah, that's my overall direction. I don't want to lie you. How has the week been? Let me see. Let me check my FX book. This week has been slow. I've really not been so much engaged with trading. I really. I've had like 3 trades this week. One, 2 wins, 1 loss. I guess so. Let me see. Yeah, 2 wins, 1 loss. That's what I've found. Nice. Who knows that song? I don't wanna know, no, no. Oh, let's play some music. Let's play some music. But the music will be for later when we're in the trade to help us calm down, focus. I'm buying gold again in 5 minutes. A D. You got your confirmation, or you're just buying? Man, you need to have a confirmation. You just don't need to just sing us here live trading, and then you decide to oppose. We are selling, and you want to oppose us. You need to have a system, man. See, what I want is I want gold to slope from here because we had our confirmation. It's a choke confirmation. We had it around this zone. So what I would prefer price to give me my other confirmation, which I won't tell you guys. It's confidential. It's reserved for my guys in the mentorship. So once I get the confirmation for sales, I'm going to sell up to this zone. This is M30 H1 zone. It's very strong demand zone, and that's where we're gonna buy from. Yeah. That is where we are gonna buy from. Waiting for the candle close. Follow me, please. Precious, I'm going to follow you, don't worry. I'm gonna follow you, Precious. Precious indicator. So once that candlestick closes bearish, we're going to go in. Let me prepare my account. MT5. Preparing. Once again, this is not trading advice. This is not financial advice. It's just for trading education, like for educational purposes, for you to learn how do you place trades, how do you approach yourself when analyzing, how do you compose yourself if you've entered a trade, the psychology you need. That's what we're always preaching. So educational purposes. I'm not telling you to go and risk your whole savings. You're going to lose. That's not how trading works. Trading is a business, just like any other business. First, study it, learn, and then earn. You can't just come into a business and earn. You get? You can't just come into a business and earn. I got a someone texted me from Congo. Okay, we need that candlestick. I've been trading for 3 to 4 years, 4 years. But by starting to know about trading, I knew about it in 2018. So I've known about trading for a very long time, a very really long time. Bro, I have $300. Do you have a laptop that you normally don't use? You sell it to me. Yeah, I have so many laptops here, but I don't sell them. Though I have this one, got it at 4 million. It's a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, M what? I don't know the M. So there's this one, it's a touch screen. Maybe if you bring 1.5, I can give it to you. This is a touch screen. If you bring 1.5, I can give it to you. Then I have another one. I got it at 2 million, 2.5, this one, the HP. Then this one, 4 million. So I just want to get another monitor. They told me it's like 4.5, a bigger screen. I have these two, but they're working fine. Just need an upgrade. Danny Justice Yuki. Oh, gold is about. It has closed. Let's sell, guys. Let us sell gold. It has closed. Bearish. Oh, there's this other big move. This candlestick has a lot of volatility. Wow, this is so volatile. If you haven't placed sales yet, first chill. I've not even updated. I've not given out the trade on I'm not giving out the trade in my VIP group. Let me show you my MT5. Is this the one? There you guys can see my MT5. So I entered that trade. I'm going to close it. We've not got a good confirmation yet. We had confirmed, but then gold just reversed back up. And now I'm going to wait. I'm not going to sell because I know gold is now going to shoot up. It's going to shoot up. If you're in buys, congratulations. If you're in buys, I wouldn't buy so. Nchize never sell tukyazirinze. Tena confirming a buys bulungi, just that volatility, but we are still waiting for the sales as well. I just entered the position and closed it. Let me show it to you. Why? So the broker I trade with is HFM. Why do I trade with HFM? It has tight spreads. It has very, very, very tight spreads. If you can see the history. This is a real account, HFM Markets Live. So the deposit, okay, deposit is 10K. Deposit is 10K. The profit 200,371. Now the history for the past week, I want to see how much we made last week. This week has been slow. I've not been so active. So let's see last week. Yeah, so far this week we've made a loss of minus $42 because I've not been focused. I've been up and down shooting videos, YouTube. Yeah, I trade prop farms. I trade prop farms as well. FTMO, that's what I would recommend. So this is the trade I've had just today. Let me show you today. And I show you the risk management you guys need to have. You need to have the same risk management I do have. Today, this is the trade. See, we were trying to sell from here. Then price gave us this. So I'm scared because of this candlestick, unless when it turns back bearish, that's when I will sell. Otherwise, we've just lost 2.8. Just lost $2.8. That's the game, bro. That's the game. Bro, how long does it take for you to did it take you, bro? I've been saying this all over and over again. 3 years took me a long period of time. I can help. I'm an affiliate. You can help with what? TFX trades. And if you wanna join my premium signals for free, of course you can create an account with HFM, deposit $100, and I'll get you in the VIP. I want you to make money, and that way we're all going to win. HFM will pay me for referring you guys, and you guys will have to access a $30 subscription access. So I always charge $30 per month, and I have clients. I have like 20 clients in the VIP group. I don't have many clients. That's proof that I don't make my money off of signals, or I'm just providing value to the community. That's why I bring out these free offers of you joining the VIP for free, something like that, because I really want you to make money as well. Who mentored you? I have so many mentors. So basically, but you actually don't know them. Yeah. I talked about the who mentored me part on YouTube in a recent video I posted. You can go and check it out. Just posted a recent video on YouTube. Go check it out. So you know the FXAU, go subscribe, guys. Subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah. So gold, we are still holding on, waiting. No pressure. Who has pressure? Then you can let me know so I can help you. Who? You. Why do you have trade with peace? And you need to accept losses. Every loss you take should be calculated, and you should embrace it. You should accept it. If you don't accept the loss, you're not going to trade profitably in a very long period of time. It's going to hurt you. Actually, my ability in trading is forgetting losses so quickly. I can forget a loss like in a matter of it hurts me. I'm human. It can hurt me, but then I forget it. I have processes to forget. How long did it take you to make it? Took me 3 years. Because I didn't have anyone to guide me. I really uploaded that video on YouTube. You go watch it. Yep. This is gold. Entered bullish momentum in this trade. So I'm not going to do anything not until I see my model. If I see my model or my confirmation, I'm going to go ahead and place the trade. If I don't see it, I'm just going to stay put up to when I get that trade. If you really want to see a clear picture, you go head over to YouTube, subscribe to FXAU, where is our logo. Is just search YouTube, and then search FXAU. FXAU. Once you search FXAU, you're going, oh, my battery is coming low. I'm going to charge. Don't worry. This is our logo. Press it, go subscribe, and keep the notifications on. This is a keep the notifications on so you can't miss out on our live sessions. We have this live session now currently. Um, this is the latest live session we're on. This is session. This is our live session as well. These are all winning trades. Winning trade, winning trade, winning trade, winning trade. I don't see any losers in this. You can go and check them out. All these live streams have been winning. Have been winning. So join us today. Let's make money. Let's make money. See, gold is still going up. If you didn't quit and actually did share this signal in my group, it's currently 109, and we are streaming up to New York. I'm going to stream throughout New York. Let me go and get the charger. Uh, yeah, we're going to get a charger. Just don't leave the line. Just followed me. Thank you for the follow, Gary256. Hi, how are you doing? Let's for wait for our confirmation. And how long have you been trading? I already answered that. Already answered that. So I'm not doing that again. We have like 2 hours to New York. We'll get our trade in New York maybe because I normally trade towards volume. So, guys, on TikTok, you can ask questions. I'm here to reply to you. I want to reply to each and every one of. What's wrong? Keep your eyes on gold. We're about to get a setup. I want to share my MT5. See, so those 30 pips SL straight up as SL. This is nice. I always get 100 pips SL. Guys, you don't have any questions to ask. You don't have any questions, but we are waiting on a trade. We are going to have to enter it, and if we lose it, we will learn. If we win, we also learn. So either way, we are winning. Pako kusema. We have to wait for a confirmation. We don't want to force anything. You don't have to force in trading, no forcing. Be already confirmed buys. Guys who are buying, you're on a safer side. Though I don't know if you have the mindset to hold a trade. Yeah, I'm going to alert you on when to sell. We're about to sell. Hop over to YouTube. And live stream with me. I'm live trading, losing money in front of you. Not scared about anything. How much? How comes you don't show your screen no more? Because TikTok bans, like, will ban me. I always put a disclaimer that this is not financial advice, just for educational purposes, but they keep on banning my live, so I stick to YouTube because it's legit. Also, the network is good. The chats, the resolution, everything. My screen is black on. I've shared. It's now not black because we're about to have an entry. We're about to have an placing the trades live. I don't know if you've ever seen anything like this. Still black. Is it black again? Hey guys on YouTube. Is my YouTube clear? Is my YouTube clear? If I haven't yet confirmed the cells yet, we need to break that zone below. Let me mark it up on MT5. Okay. MT5 diagonal marking. Trading, you need to trade with a cool mindset, calm mindset. You don't need to rush anything. Yep, patience pays. You're going to see once we catch this trade, you're going to see that patience pays in if it wins. But if it doesn't, still we're gonna learn how to lose the right way, because trading is about losing and winning. If you don't close the right way, then you're not going to make money. Get? You need to lose the right way. So yeah, we're gonna learn a lot of stuff. So even when the trade goes the opposite direction, we still have going to we're gonna oh my god, screen guard yet. So this is the trade. I'm going to be live streaming every day, honestly. I'm thinking about New York because it's always volatile, more opportunities than London. And London, most of the people are always at work, working, but in New York, there is no more work like New York time unless you're in the USA. Most of the people are done with work, winding up, eating lunch, something like that. Okay. And trading is actually getting so much popular here in Uganda because I know Ugandans are smart. You know the smartest country in Africa? It's Uganda. You guys are smart and fast learners, so the industry here is going to have a lot of millionaires in years to come. Because I see it, the way I see it. Gold still ranging. So maybe it's ranging towards New York. Let's wait and see. If you want to see the charts, head over to YouTube, search FXAU, subscribe, keep the notifications on so you don't miss out on our live sessions. Like I told you, the buyers, you're so lucky because it has gone up and it's confirming bullishness. And the area, like I told you earlier, we have a lot of buyers around that area. But we are also catching buys from the M30. We want it to retrace all the way down, and then we catch it from down and buy. This is a crazy move. If you're watching on live on YouTube, you can see that move. And if you're in buys, bro, it's nice. It's just network. It's not network. It's just network. My network is unstable on YouTube. My network is unstable on YouTube. It's stable. My network is unstable on YouTube. It's stable. The network is stable. Yep, if you want to join our signals, don't 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 go off up to the end. I'm going to show you on how you can join the free signals, and if you want the paid signals as well, you can join. There are guys who want to price prop farms and everything. For prop farms, you have to pay, but if you have your money on a broker, then use my HFM link. I'll get you in the group. If you have a prop farm, then you have to pay $30, because for prop farms, my model has proven to pass all challenges in just 1 month. Yeah. So gold's still bullish. We are not going to sell gold because that move is scary. It has left us. So you can change from having a bearish bias to bullish, but I wouldn't risk buying from that zone. I want to wait for price to retrace down, and then we catch the buys. So maybe in New York, we'll catch up in New York. New York is like 1.5, let me see, 1.5 hours. No, 2.5 hours away from. What do you think on gold? I see gold is going to go up. Yeah. It has failed to break that red line. The line I drew, it has failed to break it. That's a strong support actually. It's now holding. On the M5, it's not strong, but currently it is. Chef, Chef X now, man, your name is hard to read. Seagull is going to push up and it's going to clear all this liquidity. So if we had already entered without waiting for a confirmation, we would have hit SL by now. That's where our SL is. Let me show you here. Trading view, that's our SL on trading view. If you had sold, and you know what hurts most is that a trade you've not planned for, like a trade which is not on plan, and then you place it and again risk even more, and it ends up hitting your SL. These are some of the triggers which make us blow accounts, lose our minds. You get. So we need to be so cautious when trading. Trading on plan is the hardest thing I've ever seen. You're following your plan, man. It's hard. It's not easy. It's not for the weak. It's not for the weak. It's for the strong-hearted. The guys with robot hearts. Whoa, gold is now retracing, wanting to give us our confirmation. I'm going to execute it, bro. If I get my confirmation, I'm going to execute it. TikTok, tap the screen. Let's get to 10K likes. Maybe I can show you the chat on TikTok. Or maybe I can give you a free signal on TikTok. Bro, where do you? Nah. Kachigujja buzzi kuyingira mukungu. Sirika ndi live bro. Jutula nti wanene obeera olabika. Genda oyambale engoye. Hey guys, we're about to enter our trade. We haven't confirmed yet. I'm going to alert you when I'm going to enter. So I hope you guys can see my trading view. Let's wait for the candlestick to close so we can enter. I'm just waiting for you in Barara, bro, in January. Yeah, guys, we have an expo in Barara, January. I'm going to meet those guys. We learn about the strategy, the discipline, and how we can make money out of the markets. No confirmation yet, but trust me, we are going to get the confirmation. And we are going to enter the trade now. I know most of traders have that urge to enter the trade before the setup happens. It has happened to me a lot of times and I've blown a lot of money. It's now going down. If you want to see, go on YouTube, search FXAU. We're about to enter in like 2 minutes from now. Let's be patient, guys. Be patient. YouTube at freezing. Oh, it's working. What are you buying? Trading gold. I only trade gold, bro. If you hop onto my live, just know that we are trading gold only for now. We always trade other pairs though, but not like so often, like BTC, oil, the volatile pairs. We resume trading them in January. So for now, the only volatile pair I would love trading is gold. And you are waiting on a sell signal. You can check FXAU on YouTube for a better live experience to see the setup. I've shared the setup to them, entries, exits. Oh, I didn't share the setup in the VIP group, but maybe I'll share it. But let me just share them this. I promised they need to be here, but now they paid their money for this, so I should like respect them for that as well. Is my voice audible? I don't want to be talking to me. Yet I'm talking to you guys. Get us to 1,000 subs during these times where gold is just ranging. you can comment. Thank you for the likes. Joel's Modish Hub. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube as well. Subscribe to our YouTube as well. The guys on YouTube, make sure you comment, ask questions at the end. I'm gonna have to reply those questions, and at the end, I want to show you. I'm going to actually teach you on how you execute our signals in the premium group. We have a system which I've been backtesting for 3 years. It has proven data. It's always profitable every week, not every month. It's profitable every week. Of course, we have losing weeks. I won't like assure you we have losing weeks, and sometimes it's our mindset which pushes us to like getting losing weeks, losing months. But if you follow the system, you're not going to make any losses, honestly. Yes. What's news today? What do we have in news today? You can check on forexfactory.com. I forgot. So forexfactory.com is where we check news from. What I want you guys to know is we don't trade reacting. We don't react off of our emotions. You need to stay Friday. My time runs faster. Oh, at 6 p.m. we have prelim UOM consumer sentiment, unemployment rate for the card, but we don't trade card. Explain order blocks. Okay, I'm going to explain the order blocks. Bullish order blocks, bearish order blocks. Let us first enter this trade. Bullish and bearish order blocks. XAUUSD is closed today at 23 p.m. Oh, why? I didn't know about it. Okay, yeah, it's the last day of the week, so they will close it. So a bullish order block, basically the footprint. So for you to know, you can just head over to YouTube, search FXAU. I'm on YouTube. I'm going to teach from here. Let me just flip the camera. Let me just flip the as we're waiting for our trade. Yes, tap the screen, tap the screen. Thank you for coming. Now we have been live trading from it's now like 5 hours, no, 2 hours of us live trading, and this is the setup we are waiting for. We aren't in the trade yet. We are not in the trade. That's what I mean. We are not in the trade yet, but we are waiting. Yeah, we are waiting. Yes, bro, I'm coming. Barara, I'm coming. Barara, just sensitize those guys. Let's get like 200, 100 people are enough. I'll come with my team. We engage, have fun. You know how we do our things. Have fun, learn, and enjoy. So, a bullish order block. This is a footprint left behind by big institutions. Basically, these guys want to mitigate their trades or losses from this zone. So this is the footprint they leave. So once you see that footprint, you know that big institutions are going to eventually run price back up to that level. Oh, our sale is coming. Get your MT5s, bro. Get your MT5s ready. Get your MT5s ready. I don't know where my MT5 is. Your MT5s ready. We are selling once price closes below here. Once price closes below here, we are going to sell. Tap the screen, tap the screen, tap the screen. Let's go. Thank you for the follow. Make sure you head over to YouTube, subscribe, search FXAU. Hey, help me with that phone. This thing is not working. I want to place the trade. This is not financial advice, it's just for educational purposes. This is not financial advice. So we are selling in 2 minutes. 2 minutes from now, just for this candlestick to close, yeah, and then we sell. Now it's like 1 minute and see 20 seconds, 50 seconds. Yeah. So we always trade live every day on YouTube. This is not financial advice. The YouTube guys are freezing. No, it's not. This is not financial advice. It's just for educational purposes. If you think you're going to come here and make quick money, this is not the live you should be on. Yeah. But if you think that you can build a skill that will help you have a bright future, then this is the place to be. If you really want quick money to buy a car tomorrow or next week, this is not the place you need to be. If you really if you want a bright future, freedom, financial freedom, like in the next 2-3 years, this is the place you should be. Yeah. Let's go back to order blocks. I was still explaining, and price wants to give us an entry, so I don't want to miss out on that as well. We enter. No, don't enter. I'll let you when to enter. I also trade XAU. Thank you for trading XAU. Really love it. It has given me money, given me a lot of money. And I'm really happy to have you guys here. 30 people on the live. I can't believe you guys always miss out on this live. You need to always be on. I'm going to keep up with the consistency. Make sure you follow me. If you're on this live and you haven't followed me yet, make sure you follow me. Also, type in YouTube, type in YouTube. Network yange li slow, ba PC li slow. Mo freezing sister PC yange. Eli full, yeah. I need an I need hard disk, like 1 TB. Someone stole my recent hard disk. You stole my hard disk. I want it, bro. I don't know if he's on this live. What's your biggest win? $20,000. That was my biggest win earlier this year. 20K in a single trade. Do you know how crazy that is? Risking like 5K and getting 20K. So my target next year is risking 20K per trade. 20K per trade, 20K per trade. I don't know what's your target, guys. What's your target? My target is risking 20K next year. Hey Dean, how are you? What's your so you drive a Forester? No, I don't drive anything. I just trade. I just trade. That's what I do. I'm not a taxi driver. Um Hi bro, I'm following you now. You are the best, Wevale. Yes, Chibadi, Wevale Nyo. Chibed. Chibed, where are you from? I'm going to start making events and I want to start meeting you guys. I would love to start meeting you guys. Get a 200K funded account. No, I don't want. What would you tell me what to do, bro? I'm already trading live capital and you can't tell me on how to scale my capital. So Thank you for the advice. Let me show you the capital on trading currently. I'm convinced with it. You know, ate mgenda kunsubisa trade. Ngenda jingla live actually. I'm going to enter it live here. If it closes down below, I'm going to enter live here. This is a live account. Tumukunde Justin. Tumukunde Justin. That's the balance. That's the balance. And this is what we have made today. Live, I've provided this live. I thought it was going to sell, but it didn't. So I just quit. I didn't want the buyers to catch me, so I quit the trade. Let me show you my history for the last week. Last week, $184. You see, risking like 170, targeting 200. That's a 2-hour. Risking 100, targeting 200. 2-hour trades is what I take. Now, over the last month, let's see what we have made. 2,371. This is the biggest win I've made on this account. In a single trade, I made 1,500. In a single trade, I made 1,500. So I am Ugandan, bro. I'm Ugandan as well. Chibedi. I was asking which part of Uganda are you from? So I'm gonna start making events. Just want to start seeing you guys, visiting you, and yeah, we make money as a team. So we are going to sell gold. I'm going to use 0.01. Oh, no. We first check this here. Let's first check the pips. We are risking 40 pips. So we are risking 40 pips. Hold over on 2-hour phone. We are risking $100 every setup on this trade, on this account. That's 1%. So for me to lose 1% on that account, I'm going to lose 1% with 4 pips. So I'm doing the position sizing in my head. It's crazy. I'm going to first use 0.1. That's $40. 40 plus 40, that's 0.25. Yeah, using 0.25. But the candle is about to close, seconds to close. So I wouldn't mind entering and putting my SL. If you're live on YouTube, you should also enter. This is not financial advice, for educational purposes. See, I'm risking exactly $115. My target is always a 1 to 2. Targeting $200. 200. That's my target. Confirm trade. Trade confirmed. And it's live now. So let's wait and see. Let's wait and see the outcome of this trade. But price is so volatile. Price is so damn volatile. If you like, if you are someone with a lot of emotions, I'm also live on YouTube, by the way. If you're someone with a lot of emotions, I would recommend you join my psychology masterclass or bootcamp. I'm going to explain about that, how I manage my emotions and how I manage to pull results like this in a month. I'm up 2,371. Now imagine me consistently risking and scaling this account, because like I told you, my goal next year, I want to be risking 20K per trade. See, I'm risking $100 per trade currently, and I keep my risk at 100. Sometimes 130. When I win, I can increase on my risk, but when I lose, I go back to $100. See, $100 minus 170, 220. Profit. This is a loss of $2, loss of $14. Live badde balina ogitwala. So we have been blocked on TikTok. I told those guys we don't need to show chats on TikTok, only YouTube. Naye nga tebawulira. But we're already into the trade now. Let me first restart this PC. Restart. Live yaffe bagigye. Yeah, we are not live, maybe. Oh, guys, sorry, I had to go off on TikTok. They banned us, like I told you. They banned us. On YouTube, no more TikToks. You know when you do that shit and oh god, sorry. When you do that and show chats on TikTok, they are going to ban you. Yeah. It's an automatic ban. Now, honestly, I also didn't want to get banned because I always use disclaimers and all that. But they end up banning me all the time. Hello guys, just tap into our live session. We are currently live trading XAUUSD on YouTube. Go and search FXAU. You know what I want. So we don't know if this trade is going to hit TP or SL. Just waiting. Trading is a game of waiting. So we're just waiting. We don't know how it's going to play out. We're already in the sell. We want it to go down. Good, how are you? The light. So, guys, there's this guy who wants to invest in me about 20K, and he like wants to first test me. I don't want that. Mm, I've learned online. I don't know why most people want one-on-one, like physical teachings, because I personally learned online. I learned online, and I do teach online. I do teach online, and I have profitable students I've taught. But basically, my class focuses a lot on psychology. So the trade is going back up, but I'm not bothered either way because I know my main mindset is strong, and I'm going to set BE once price taps here. Once price taps this zone, I'm going to set BE. Let me add an alert. So that's when I'll set BE. So gold is always going to miss your mind. You just need to have a clear mindset. See, it went down and gave us like 20 pips, 30 pips profits, like 20. Yeah. And now it's coming back up, but just gotta follow the plan. Don't rush anything. No rushing, no rushing. What's your entry point? We're already in. We are already in. There's no need for the entry point. So hold in there. I don't want you guys to panic. Ask questions. I'm going to answer. Let's wait. Trading is a waiting game. So I'm currently chilling, waiting. About $2,700. Yes, guys. This trade. Hang in there, stay patient. Price will do what it has to do. This trade has been provided live on YouTube. As you can see, we are live on YouTube. We have people come and join. It's now 7 people provided this trade live. Trade is floating $50. This trade has been provided live on YouTube. As you can see, we are live on YouTube. We have people come and join. It's now. Do you think it's going to go back down? Yeah, I do, and I don't mind if it goes up. This is a real account. This is how much we have made on this account in a month. For the whole of November, we have made about $2,700. This trade has been provided live on YouTube. As you can see, we are live on YouTube. We have people come and join. It's now 7 people provided this trade live. Trade is floating $50 in profits. This is a real account. This is how much we have made on this account in a month. For the whole of November, we have made about. It's going down. $2,700. This trade has been provided live on YouTube. As you can see, we are live on YouTube. We have people come and join. It's now 7 people provided this trade live. Trade is floating $50 in profits. This is a real account. This is how much we have made on this account in a month. For the whole of November, we have made about $2,700. This trade has been provided live on YouTube. Should we add some music? But I don't know, YouTube will copyright us, so we just need to stay stoic. Also, the silence helps managing your emotions and stuff. Let me come. Ndabona ikipurika tinjiterese capital. Yeah, guys, now it's going back up. I just want you guys to manage your risk. Don't panic, don't do anything. These things like this happen. Your price can go down, up. The overall thing you need to do, keep in mind, is the risk management. Stay put. Price is always gonna do what it has to do. I use smart money concepts aligned with market structure. So if you wanna check out our results, my FX book is in the bio. It's in the bio. Description of this video. We haven't set PE yet. This alert hasn't triggered. So we need to wait. Actually, trading is a game of waiting, patience. So we wait and see how the trade plays out. The trade is currently reversing. So we're gonna have the best lesson if it goes up to our SL. Yeah, I want you guys to get used to losses because that's what keeps me going. Loving the losses, like that's what I concentrate on most. I'd love to like lose the same exact amount I risked. I'm not going to add in more positions just because price is going against me. I'm not going to add in more trades. I'm not going to do anything. I'm just going to patiently sit on my arms up to when either price hits my targets or my SL. Yeah, trading is a probabilistic game. You can't just like lie off of just one trade data or one trade outcome, like this outcome, and then we say, oh, the system doesn't work, oh, trading is scam, it doesn't work. Just one trade and you say it doesn't work. At least do 100 trades, do 200, 300 trades and see if it's not going to work. It's going to work out. Hey Rachel, how are you? Let me read some comments on YouTube. What strategy do you use? I do use SMC, smart money concepts, aligned with market structure. Yeah, like we are, you see this video way from the start. It's going to be uploaded on YouTube. We analyzed from the H4 to the H1 using my system, and now the entries are reserved for my students. So the entry model is just for my students, but I can show you our high time frame analysis, how we analyze and everything. But the entries and confirmations exclusive for my students. How long have you been trading? 3 years. Ask Gemini. Any simple question like session range, someone is asking when does London session start, you can go and ask ChatGPT. It's simple. Learning is actually simplified now. You can ask ChatGPT. Reasons, yo, brother, reasons you didn't reach out to me, but I got another number. It's in my bio. Reach out to me. You said you had a deal for me, but you didn't. I kept on waiting. So guys, ask more questions. It's a question session. Uh session question. Ask questions, ask questions, ask questions. YouTube is now clear, it's not lagging. You can ask questions. Ask questions, ask questions. Ask. I'm going to reply. I'm a profitable trader. I have all the experience it takes. I've spent 2 years, 2023, 2024, just learning trading psychology. Now this is 2025. This is the third year. 2023, 2024, 2025, trading psychology. Oh, I've been trading for 4 years, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2021. This is the fourth one. 2026, fifth. So is this December good for trading over to in the next year? It's good for trading if you have a good system like mine. Yeah. And bad for trading if you have a bad system and a bad mindset. Okay, if you have a good mindset like mine, then you can trade whatever markets you want, or whatever conditions. But if you have a bad, poor mindset, then you're not going to trade. How do you overcome FOMO? Fear of missing out. Just studying myself, journaling, tracking my bad habits. I have so many journals like I showed you last time. So basically, I use these to track my bad habits. Trading. So like once I enter a trade, I'm going to journal how I feel, all the actions I do. Let's say I feel hurt and the loss sting me. I wasn't supposed to take that loss. Then I I like put an impulsive trade, trying to revenge trade. So I try to journal that down. So I track all those bad habits, the FOMO and everything, and I try doing the heavy lifting in those areas to try and stop as hard as I can. It's not easy, but with time, consistency, it becomes easy. How did you get your capital at the beginning? I traded prop firms, scaled it up, also friends, investors. But for investors, you need a track record. You need verified results for you to prove to someone that you can trade, grow their money. Trading like gold is currently going up close to our SL, but I'm not scared. I only risked $100 and I'm up $2,600. It's $2,300 for the month. So I'm just risking off $100. It's not going to hurt me. So if you're out there and you've risked your whole money on this trade, it's going to hurt you. It's going to mentally disturb you. You need to risk a certain portion. So if it reverses and goes to my TP, I'll make money. If it doesn't, I'm still up. I'm not going to get bothered. How was that feeling? Saison, which feeling? How and when did you realize that you are actually getting profitable, bro? Man, it's the best feeling because actually it's the best feeling, but as well, it's bad as well because you're going to get ego and start fighting your ego because you're always winning, and once you lose, now you have to fight your ego because your ego wants to win. You get so it's a nice feeling, but you don't need to or really get excited about it. It's normal. It's normal stuff. Trust me, once you put in the work, do what you have to do, the results are going to come. Can I invest in you? Yep, I really have a verified track record. Let me show it to you. My FX book. And it has all my trades I've been taking. I started tracking this last month at one, but we're up 22% overall. Let me show you. Help me. So this is our my FX book. We had a deposit of 10k profits. This is all verified. Let me show you the December. December we had 22 point something, and for I mean November. Let me first clean the camera. November we had 22.2.5, and now December just started with just like 0.3%. Still in drawdown for December. So Alan, text me if you have capital. If you have 5k, 10k, we can make good business. Gold is currently now going back down. Are you on the last live I showed you charts never to banning so sigena kudambalaga charts. Muwulirize bye njogera bamwagala charts mugende ku YouTube. See? You use Pepperstone, I use HFM. Pepperstone, it's an American broker. It's like so like when you want to withdraw from Pepperstone, I don't know if they have crypto yet. You have to wait for. I wouldn't want that. I have 200. Yeah. At the minimum, I recommend Brian. I really want to look. I don't want to look like a scammer. It's like 500. I have a good clear plan with that 500. By 200 and below 100, unless you just want to test out. And this is not financial advice, just trading education. I'm just telling you what you need to do to make money out of the markets. I'm not saying you should come and invest in me, you should invest this amount in the market. No, that's just your decision to make. I'm just teaching you. I can do investments with 10k. Yep, you can. But guys, don't talk about investments on TikTok. They will ban me. Once again, it's not financial advice. It's for education purposes. If you really wanna do that, text me. The number is in bio. Then we talk. Text me. We talk. We see how to go. We can meet. I explain my systems, and we see how it goes. Because trading is the new way of making money, and people have really become rich from it. Once you have, like I told you, I'm planning on risking 20k per trade next year. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but God knows. But I need to achieve that goal. I need to achieve that goal by all means. I need to because there are stages when one is profitable but still a break-even trader. Yeah. What brings that is just the mindset. Because no, you're profitable, you have a good profitable system, but you're still at break even. You've not made your breakthrough yet. You've not made that big payout. You're still collecting small money and then losing it all. Making money, losing it all. This is why I bring in my December bootcamp, trading psychology. I don't know how we can give it a name, but we're basically going to focus on trading psychology. I already have that class running. I was actually testing it out with my friend called Rama. You'll get to know him very soon. He's my good friend. We started building that group with him, the psychology routine. Bro, we are like beasts, yeah? Waking up at 5 a.m. as a team, a group. We hop onto a Google Meet, maybe journal, you get? We journal. But then in the future, I want to make it like a camp, something like that. We go maybe camp in Ginger and focus on learning trading psychology, focus on building the routines, elevating. You get what I mean? Yeah, that's my goal. But we can start it online. We do it as a team because teamwork beats everything. Waking up at 5 a.m., journaling, praying. If you're Muslim, you need to pray four times a day, bro. Faith, we build faith, and then we build mindset, we build our bodies. So if you have body goals, you want to get that. The weight, you have to run, you want to run, then that's like you want to be physically fit. If you want a healthy body, actually running is what I recommend because it costs less. It's not like gym where you have to pay that subscription. I know many traders are Uncle Zao, we are playing this Sunday kutaf. Temwampise bro. Ate mumanyi nze asinga ossala mu batrader, nze asinga omupiira. Ate ne mutampitanga nze asinga omupiira. Forex Giant namukuba eggi. Yasinga okukitegeera Forex Giant. Is it possible to grow $20 to 100K compounding? Yeah, it's possible. It's possible. There are people who have made it, grown $100 to $40 million. You know Jesse Livermore? Is that trader way back in the 1900s? I don't know if it's 18. He was Jesse Livermore. He compounded like $400 to $200 million. So it's just the mindset. Yeah, work without play makes John a dull boy. So simanyi oba mumanyi akapiira or you just so YouTube, I guess I'll have to go. I don't want to make a very long video for YouTube, but price is still up and down, up and down, up and down. I'm gonna have to reply some questions here and then I say goodbye. In New York, if I get time, I'll have to come back. So keep your notifications on, make sure you subscribe. Motivational edits. My boss, how long can you run? The motivational edits, the best I've ever done is 20 kilometers. 20. Now I did from Chisasi, then I went to Northern Bypass. I went up to Nambole and then came back to Chisasi, Kulambiro. Yeah. That was 20 kilometers. Fun, right? Okay, let's hop to TikTok if you're on YouTube. YouTube time is up. That's 2 hours. This is the longest stream I've ever done on